Joshua's going to help me with the laundry, it appears. He done pulled something out of it. Either help me with the laundry or eat everything in the laundry. Gonna help me? Gonna help Mommy with the laundry? Or taste everything that is laundry. If you're going to do that, you better be careful. That's not going to hold you. It took out 3 things of clothing. Alrighty, that's enough.